Carius papaya, Ariaceae arabica bamboo, Atropius integra jackfruit, Grevillea robusta silver oak, Alpium cepa onion, Archerus sopta chiku, Delignus ragia refen gulmohar, Moringa oleifera drumstick, Bambusa dendrocolous bamboo. Legumulin is found in legume root noodles. Pink color is produced in noodles found in roots of pulse crop from Rhizobium. The movement of water and mineral ion in root cell of a plant from soil, and moving first by active transport followed by water along the concentrate gradient, represented by root apex constantly dividing cell, meristematic growth. Plant root cell also need oxygen to regenerate energy, so root take up air space between soil particles. The root water absorbing epidermal cell frequently have long hair like part to enhance the amount of surface area available for absorption. The long hair part in root cell is called root hair. The part of seed that forms on root on germination, radicle. Vegetative part of plant are called root, stem and leaves. Notophores are specialized roots in hydrophytes. Beetroot is taproot portion of beetle plant. The scape is a long internode forming the basal part or whole of pedicule. Has a fusiform root, radish. Has stodia or sucking roots are found in Cuscuta. In some plants such as Rhizopora growing in swampy areas, many roots come out of ground and grow vertically upward. Such roots are called notophores. Leguminous plants have root nodules. Some roots are called adventitious root, not a storage root, breathing root. The plant exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen take place by diffusion. Aerobic respiration takes place with the help of oxygen and responsible for complete breakdown of glucose into CO2 and HO2. Pyruvate spills into mitochondria using O2. ATP is energy currency of cell. During aerobic respiration, a large amount of energy is released. In respiration process, thermal energy is required. Respiration process chemical converts to thermal energy. First step in respiration is breakdown of glucose into pyruvate. Can live without oxygen, anaerobe. The citric acid cycle also known as Krebs cycle. Fermentation is a type of anaerobic respiration. Energy currency of cell addition phosphate. Plant obtain hydrogen through soil water. A plant hormone is cytokinin. Xylem is responsible for water transportation. Living tissue such as phloem act as binutrient carrier in higher plants. In actuality, phloem is found in Stachyozonas. The transport of food and other substance take place in sieve tube with the help of adjacent companion cell both in upward and direct and downward cell. This is called translocation.